Intay rugyan daytoy na santo na misa, itinagan ti Ama, ken ti Anak, ken ti Espiritu Santo.
Amen.
A young seminarian was vested with black cassock and surplice during their investiture. And who would have thought that 17 years later, that seminarian, full of dreams and aspirations, comes back to this same cathedral to offer his thanksgiving to God, and now as a priest. And that was me.
Kaambutay amin nga saan nga kompleto ti simbahan, saan nga makapaduras ti simbahan no awan ti observing nga padi. No awan ti padi, awan ti Eucharistia. No awan ti Eucharistia, sa dino ti paggapuan ti taraon tayo, taraon ti kararwa tayo. Kapuna, nga nayon na kakabsat ti panangipakita tayo, ti ayat, iti parang mapadi, kanda iti mapadi. Ti managdaw-dawat tayo med, agtultuloy, ti iaado, dagiti kakadwami, kadagiti sumarsanuno, kadagiti tumulong med kada kami, nga obispos, ken mapadi. Tapno adada, ti panakaserbi, ti kasapulan, ti simbahan, nang runa kada kayong kakakabsat niyo. Kasapulan mi met ti panakaawat yo. Kasapulan yo met kasapulan mi ti panagananos yo. If you care for your priest, bear with their failures, with their shortcomings, bear with their weaknesses.
This moment was filled not with my own achievement and merit, but with God's grace, an undeserved gift that continues to amaze me. Alaik man nga duday ito yung gundaway a pagyamanan amin dagiti ng suporta, ng ikarkararag, ken ng tulong ti panagdalyasat ko, iti bokasyon ko iti kinapadi. Volunteers of Vigan Cathedral, the members of the Catholic Women's League, in which my mom is also a member. I think my mom is happy in heaven to see all her sisters here with me this afternoon, and all the fellow servants of the parish to be here. Agyaman na kada kayo. All of you have helped me, journeyed with me, prayed for me. Agyaman na kada kayo amin, titulong ken support tayo. Please pray for me as undergo my priestly ministry, that I may be faithful to Jesus who called me to be His priest. May I always remain in His love, He who is the high priest. Amen.